Today in this tutorial I will show you how to set static IP on your Raspberry Pi with two methods. First, why you have to need static IP on your Raspberry Pi. You got this answer in my blog post. If you need to know about this, read my article. I provide this link in my video description. So first method is the setting the IP address using your home router. The how to set it, now I will show you how to work this and how to show it. So first of all you have to need go your router and go to dhcp settings, and here you can see a address list time. Now you have to need the sense value. Why sense value and how to work this method, you can get more idea in my article, and I provide this link in this video description. Now I'll go to second method. Second method is setting the IP address using Raspberry Pi. So for this method you have to need go to your Raspberry Pi terminal. So I go to my Raspberry Pi terminal. Okay, now write this command on your Raspberry Pi terminal. Now you can see like this environment. So now just copy this line, some line, and paste here. I'll provide this line in my article. You can see this article and you get more idea why and how to work this code or how to work this line. Now Control X and for save, Y and enter. For now you have to need restart. So after restart, now I change this IP address. Previously I used 192.168.1.2. This is the IP address, local Raspberry Pi IP address I previously used, and now I used this IP address and I set this static IP address, and it's not changed after time. Yes. Okay, now I check the IP address. You can see this is your IP address. So that's why you can change your static IP on your Raspberry Pi, and you get more idea if you read my article. I provide this article in my video description.